Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost CMS. First, let's understand what Ghost is. It's an open-source platform specifically built for independent publishers and creators. Ghost provides a clean, minimalist writing experience, allowing you to focus entirely on your content. It's perfect for blogs, newsletters, and even membership sites, offering powerful tools to manage your audience and monetize your work. We'll cover the essential steps to get your site up and running smoothly. Setting up your Ghost site is straightforward. You have two main options: using Ghost Pro for a managed experience or self-hosting for more control. Once you've chosen, you'll configure your site's title, description, and branding elements like your logo. Don't forget to connect your custom domain. This gives your site a professional and memorable address. These initial steps lay the foundation for your online presence, ensuring your content is easily discoverable. Now, let's dive into creating content. Ghost's rich text editor is intuitive, allowing you to write and format posts effortlessly. You can add images, videos, and even custom code blocks. To enhance discoverability, organize your content using relevant tags and incorporate internal links. Once your post is ready, you can schedule it for a future date or publish it instantly to your subscribers and website visitors. This process ensures your message reaches your audience effectively. Ghost excels at audience management and monetization. You can easily set up free and paid membership tiers, offering exclusive content to your most dedicated readers. Integrating payment gateways, such as Stripe, allows you to securely process subscriptions. Ghost provides built-in analytics to track member engagement and understand which content performs best. This empowers you to grow your community and generate revenue directly from your publishing efforts, giving you full control over your business.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.